I know why you're here, and I'm gonna answer the question for you, the real guy's answer as to whether this AD5X is the right printer for you, and I am not gonna go into the bazillion little stats of how it's designed and the print rates and all that kind of stuff. You can find that on 100 different channels. But I'm going to give you the real answer if like the semi-average guy. Obviously, I look at a lot of tech. I work with a lot of different tech. There aren't 5 3D printers. I'm not running a 3D printing farm. I'm not doing it commercially. I'm going to give you the real answer. If you're just like the normal person, you're going to get this as a gift for somebody. You want it for yourself. This is maybe your first 3D printer, maybe your first one that's doing multicolors. What is the experience like? Is this the right printer for you? That's the question I'm going to answer here. So entertainingly enough, I've left my first real print sitting in the printer here. I haven't even pulled it out yet, but check this out in terms of quality of print. How perfect is this? This is my first shot. I downloaded it. You might be wondering what this is. So this printer has a whole bunch of super positive things and a handful of negative things and a handful of silly things. Let me show you one of the silly things right now. Okay, so this kind of looks like you know what kind of hole in the back of a person or a dog, and this is what comes out of this machine. As it changes colors, it creates this giant pile of debris. So for this giant pile of debris, I have now printed a container which will sit back here and collect the debris instead of my desk. So how about that for a first print and a first idea for a print for you when you get this machine? You can print this, it will sit here perfectly, collect all this debris instead of the desk. While we're back here, let me show you some of the prints. So these are a couple of the prints I did. I did this little guy to show you like how it looks with the different colors. And this is a really good point. I ran out of the purplish color right here and swapped in another color. It is so easy. You just simply pull the one color out, put the next one in, it self-feeds it, switched and continued printing perfectly. Almost looked like I meant to do that, but that was absolutely an accident. The Fishy and I are jumping in right now because you need to hit that hype button right now. It's at the center, at the bottom of the screen. Really important on YouTube. Makes a huge difference to the channel. If you could please do that if I've added some value. Here is your classic, right? This is the classic test case. And how cool does this look with the 3 colors? Not a lot of residue, not a lot of stringing. This thing is pretty darn perfect right out of the machine. First shot. And then finally, this cool little dice. Or die, I guess it is, right? Cool little die with the multicolor insets. It has this little thing here. So you can see how that's threaded. This just threads right in there. Again, I can't do it one-handed. I might get it started. Yeah, I got it started. Look. How about that? How about that? How cool is that? Anyway, the quality of these prints is really nice. And again, I'm not an expert. I'm not adjusting settings. These are right out of the machine. This guy and another little gadget I had printed for my wife just downloaded those prints and started it right up. All right, let me clean this up, get to the other side. Let's talk about your decision-making process. If you are new at 3D printing or you're getting it as a gift for somebody who's new at 3D printing, or if you've been at all frustrated in the past, the process of feeding and changing the colors in the reels, this is the biggest no-brainer in the world. Honestly, let me just show you. All you do is you pull it out. You simply pull it out, change the color, put whatever you want. Take this, slide it in, and that's it. That's it. It literally feeds itself all in, sets itself up. It is the easiest I've ever seen, and I've reviewed a bunch of these machines. That is an absolute almost worth purchasing it just for that. Again, the cool factor of you got 4 different colors going, which is great. Let's talk about some of the negatives at the same time. I do have to tell you they did provide this to you, but I'm not going to just blow positives at you. There are some negatives here. Number one, the software, their system is still very new, right? Like they're just developing it, that kind of stuff. So I found there are definitely a couple errors. Like the most common problem I had printing where it would be going along, and it would say some sort of error on the screen, restart the machine. turn the machine off, turn the machine back on, and it would just start right where it left off. No issues whatsoever, except if you were like gonna rely on something that was gonna print for 12 hours and you were gonna come back and find it printed, there's a decent chance that somewhere in there it was gonna have timed out. Again, I feel like that's the kind of thing that with firmware updates and their software improving over the course of time, that's gonna fade away and go away. Finding the right print format to print on here, also a little less common, because obviously you got 4 colors as an option, and that's really not the standard in the industry. So finding the right models to print on it is definitely not as easy as, like, say, a regular single color printer. So I wouldn't use that as a no, but I do also want to tell you I want you to really enjoy this when you get this, and I want you to know what to expect. So expect a little glitchy stuff with the software. The other thing that you need to expect is when you are doing a multicolor print, it is dramatically slower than when you do a single color print. Now, when you do a single color print, it is super accurate, super fast, like really impressive. But when you do that multicolor print, it basically, every time it does a layer, it's kind of like changing the color, and it has to like clear the print head, which is where all those crazy little things back here come from. And that takes time and a little bit of noise. It's like makes this little tack, 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 bang system as it knocks it off the head. So those are kind of like two, again, well, the noise we'll call a little bit of a negative, but the time, I think you would expect it to be slower printing 4 colors than it would printing 1 color, but I'm just telling you it is dramatic. The 1 color is fast, accurate, goes, it's pretty amazing. Just plan on enjoying your free time while it prints. Having said that, this thing, for what it costs, is ridiculously amazing. You cannot possibly go wrong with this at its price point. For what it does is shooting way over its price range. So you should absolutely, if you're at all on the fence on this, or you're thinking you might want this, you should get this right now. There's actually a link on the screen here or down in the description. Both of them work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use. If I've helped you either say yay or nay, brought some value to you, remember, like, subscribe. Put in the comments if you have any questions. I'm happy to try to help and answer you. This thing has been ridiculously amazing so far. I am so happy that I have it personally, and I think you should have it as well. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.